Apology to self. Succumbing 5. Apologizing to myself for succumbing to negative self-talk, I commit to rewriting the narrative with kindness and compassion. I vow to silence the inner critic and replace criticism with self-love. Today, I choose to uplift myself with words of encouragement and affirmation. Take proactive steps to challenge negative self-talk and cultivate self-compassion. Start by identifying moments of self-criticism and reframing them with positive affirmations and uplifting statements. Practice self-awareness and mindfulness to recognize when negative thoughts arise and consciously choose to replace them with words of kindness and encouragement. Surround yourself with supportive resources such as affirmations, gratitude practices, and self-care routines that nourish your self-esteem and promote a positive self-image. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and self-love, knowing that each small act of kindness towards yourself contributes to your overall well-being and happiness. Keep going. You've got this.